In this video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to easily and properly switch accounts on Fortnite on the PlayStation 5 is to visit the Epic Games website at store.epicgames.com. You can visit this website through a web browser on your computer or your phone if you prefer. When you arrive at this page, sign into the first Fortnite account. So, in here, hover over your name at the top right corner of the screen and go into Account. Now, at the left side of the screen, you will find the options related to your account, and you have to go into Apps and Accounts. Finally, switch over from Apps to Accounts, and in here is where you can manage all the accounts connected to this specific Epic Games account. Now, as you might expect, what you have to do here is find the PlayStation Network account that you have connected and disconnect it here. You will notice that I don't have it currently connected, but if you do, you will find the option to remove it here. After you remove the PlayStation Network account from this Epic Games account, the next time you go over to your PlayStation 5 and you open up Fortnite, if you removed it properly to this window, you will get the usual options to sign into a new Fortnite account. As of today, this is the only method to easily and quickly switch accounts on Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. So you have to go to this website every time you want to switch accounts, find PlayStation Network and click Remove. Like I said, this will give you the options to remove the currently signed in PSN account from this Epic Games account, and afterwards when you open Fortnite on your PlayStation 5, you can sign into a different account. Of course, when you want to switch accounts again, you have to sign into that Epic Games account, go into Apps and Accounts, and disconnect the PSN account one more time. So you can repeat this process every time you want to switch accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to switch accounts on Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.